Okay, let's see. I'm going back on my Apple now, so I think the connection should be good. I think we maybe figured out the problem was my work computer was too slow. So uh, fingers crossed that we have a good connection. How's everybody doing? Hope you had a awesome week and hit those goals, crush those goals. Wanted to pop on here and do our weekly mortgage rate update. But before I get to that, a few announcements. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Join us on our journey. We're going to take this thing straight to the moon. We're going to always keep you informed on what the mortgage rates are. We're going to keep you informed on what the housing market's going to do. And from time to time, I'm going to put in an educational video. So next Thursday, I have huge plans to put in a video that I show you if you are an FHA borrower, if you're a VA borrower, if you're a USDA borrower, how you can position yourself to win the deal over like a conventional or a cash offer. One thing to know about cash offers is normally they're going to offer at asking, or they're going to try to get a deal and offer a little bit lower. Sometimes you can win over those cash offers if you give them a better deal. So be looking out for that. Next Thursday is my goal to get that educational video. And then that'll probably be the last one I do for a while. I'm going to work on some things. I have this new housing market update that I'm going to start doing on Mondays. And I'm going to work on that. And I'm going to work on some things to maybe bring more people into our community, maybe some doing some TikTok stuff, Instagram stuff, YouTube, stuff like that. If you haven't yet, find me on those platforms and, add me on there because, I'm going to be putting some TikTok stuff out, some just quick tips that maybe you don't have 5 minutes to sit here and watch a YouTube video, you can go on TikTok and just get a quick little tip that's going to help you through the process. So that's that. The drawing, I was going to do the 500 Amazon gift card drawing tonight, but I decided I'm going to do it on Monday for the housing market update. So some of you guys that are regulars watching the rate update can kind of just tune into that and just check it out. I share some really awesome information. It's going to help you whenever you're putting your offers in. So this coming Monday, I'm going to announce the winner of the $500 Amazon gift card. So be sure to tune into that. I'm giving away not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 Amazon gift cards for $500. So be sure to tune into that on Monday. I'm going to do the drawing. And hey, it's the reason I kind of decided to do that because I really have been super busy this week. People are starting to get those offers. So it's time to get super aggressive if you want to win those offers because new applications were down 12% versus last month. So we are in a new month, but in the month of, March, new applications were down 12%. So that means there's less people competing for those houses that you may want. So get super aggressive. Next Thursday, I'm going to tell you how. So be sure to tune into that. Tune into my other video that I released a couple of weeks ago. It's pretty awesome. It's going to tell you how to get the fastest clear to close because one of the ways you can win an offer is say, hey, I can have this closed in 20 days. If you watch that video I'll link it to the comments, but if you watch that, there's no reason if you watch that and follow it and work with your loan officer, you shouldn't get a 20-day clear to close. So that is that. I want to wish my realtor partners good luck. Good luck out there. If you need any pre-approvals over the weekend, I will be available. I can get those out to you in 10 minutes or less, and we'll get those buyers offers in. So that's that. Let's see how we're doing with time. We're doing good with time. I like to keep these about 5 to 8 minutes, no more. Let's see, what else do I got for you? I think that's all for the announcements. So without further ado, let's get right to these rates. I do want to clarify on the rates. These are not rates that you can walk into a bank, walk into a credit union and get. These are rates that I get by making those banks and those credit unions compete. And what it does is it causes them to get super aggressive and give us their best offer that they possible. So just today, I was able to actually to beat someone who went to a credit union. I was able to beat them by 0.25% on a 15-year fixed conventional. So, and they were like, "Wow, I didn't even realize this." I'm like, "Yeah, when you walk into a bank or credit union, they're going to give you whatever they feel like they can get away with." But when you make them compete, that's when you're going to get your optimum offer. So that's what my rates are all about. I make them compete. And then, a lot of times people that do what I do, they kind of keep their, cards hold close to their chest, I guess I should say. It's like, why not just let people know what the rates are? So that's what I'm about to do. Rates are looking pretty good. Conventional is at 4.75 with an APR of 5.004. FHA is at 4.125 with an APR of 5.117. VA is at 4.125 with an APR of 4.321, and USDA is at 4.25 with an APR of 4.687. So conventional 4.75, FHA 4.125, VA 4.125, and USDA 4.25. So USDA is a little bit higher than the other government loans, but all in all, pretty good. Conventional in this market at 4.75 is not too bad. Many banks and credit unions already have everybody up in the fives. So look at that. And then if you still want that 3, you can do a couple different things. If you go to a broker, you can buy down the rate. You're paying an extra maybe $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and you're going to get a lower rate. Or you can do an ARM. They have ARMs. So ARMs are available. And if you're only planning on staying at a house maybe 2-3 years before you sell it and get in something different, an ARM may be something to look at because the adjustment won't be for 5, 7, or 10 years. So you can get some good deals that way. But that should be it. Hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend. If there's anything I can help you out with, just leave a comment below. And hey, subscribe, join our community. We're growing this thing. We're going to do a lot of good things and a lot of good things planned. And you don't want to miss out on winning the $500. And, we're going to do this all the way up to 1,000. So join us and let's help each other out. Have a happy, safe weekend. Bye-bye.